Bushi. Mr. Emma. Hey.
Oh, you know what's his name?
I see you. Ah, you are with baby.
Yes, I see my
Shape up.
Trust me. Me, you know I buy it from.
Busheng tanong patsele ewani. Best. Usto do it na. When I usto do Buse usto do guys. Sasa ne. Ay ne. Uzo text ne.
From clean dog.
Sasa.
Yes.
Hi Buse.
Are you gonna
Sasa.
be able to come? Yes, tomorrow. Like at night, you're gonna sleep over or something.
Yeah, at night, yeah. Yeah, later on during the day I'm gonna come.
Burn some money pound up.
Nah, the
Click you.
Yeah, I can see that.
Cute. Let's not
yeah, tomorrow ne.
following. Yeah.
Ngibonile ukuthoyang. Ngibonile shem ukuthoyang as
I'm actually hanging in school today.
I feel, but it wasn't crazy hair day though.
Mm.
We are amazed by your beauty, beauty.
We are
We
amazed.
are amazed.
Oh,
Oh
thank
my
you.
goodness. Who is
I'm
Who
she?
taking
is
the cases,
this?
by
And
the
where
way.
is
Where
she?
are you?
And how are
What are
you?
you? That's an interview.
What
What
the
are you? That's
fuck?
an interview. How chill my mom is. Tomorrow, ne? I too, ne? Bra, we must chill. Buse,
Oh,
we
you
need
put
to chill.
this. I
We need to
pay.
chill,
Yeah.
guys.
You pay this nice.
Mm.
One day is one day. One day is one
Yeah,
day.
one is
Lot
one
of
day.
plus.
My voice is gone.
Lot of plus. Ganun. Sasa ni ay ne.
It's really.
Ngzila yang ukhosh. Sham ganam.
I'm shocked.
Okay. You look so pretty though.
Thank you.
Ten people on this live. Help me.
What's up, baby? What can I be so? Oh, the fuck! There's a lot of people are watching our live, dog. Check the views.
I even forgot to say live. Oh my gosh.
Boys,
Let me
say,
leave. Dog.
yeah?
Let me leave. Ne?
Okay.
We'll
Bye,
talk.
Mama.
At least you got the message.
So, you coming back
Up.
today? Coming
Yes.
back today.
Mm.
Okay. And the cushion is like in today, like cushion is like.
Uzenze kakhulu
Like
Cause
ngathi mengifila cause
cause me
mengiyothuka mina bese ngifika.
cause mina ngiset proof as we speak. So
Yo,
mm.
like like cause me lento le ngiyifilile cabanga.
At least siyabonga sewona ukuthi uyifikisa.
So, shake a smack. Bye, Mama. Hey, good job, good job, good job, good job. Nam
Ngizaphi?
ngiyaphuza la. Good job.
Ngiyakubona. Push up, ne?
Bye, Mama. Yo, Mara, you.
Bye.
Hey, dog. Hey. If you don't leave now, you're not gonna leave this life.
We can leave the live once you see your account.
Yeah. It's like something.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, babe. And I think, Papa, I'm not sure, but I think I do.
Hey, how do we, hey.
Hey, Pampana, no, I'm not sure, but I think I know. Guys, yo, Itumi is bleeding. Itumi is bleeding. We better call Oma Dimpo. Yo, people are watching. Literally, just gone. Yo.
wait. In life. In life.
That's like people. I think in life. Life.
You're kind of. You see your bed. You are bedding.
Oh.
I checked bedding. Oh, guys, I'm doing it in my car. So.
Is the only thing that I like. You're so pretty. Thank you. Let's shake ass. Then you are shaking ass when you're on the middle. I can shake ass. We are mixing ass with people. Hi guys. So many requests. I can't accept requests. Why? I'm not saying about it because I know none of these people are here. Oh my god, B! But oh well.
We look put together in that guys.
No, my men, then what about my men trying to put together with you?
We friends though.
Yeah. I'm in the live.